Hello, beautiful people.
We can sit
Welcome, and this is how the living room looks like.
together.
Yeah, it's quite dirty, but they'll clean up for you before you get in.
It's so beautiful, you and me in the great outdoors, forever free.
Ahead we have a sink and a mirror. I love houses that have a sink. On your left you have the washroom.
Times you need to go to see the truth around you in the great outdoors.
Next you have a closed kitchen.
Forever
It is house fitted with cabinetry, but only on the upper part.
free. That's how the world seems small.
Next, from the kitchen we find the balcony or
In the great outdoors.
next we go to the bedroom. It has a floor to ceiling closet. And this is how the bedroom space looks like. I think it can fit a 5x6 bed.
I'm just sitting here, I got time. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Now that wraps up our tour here.